So let me show you what I did so far here. So before you put the blades on, I usually put the blades before I can put the fan up there. But before you put the blades on, there's this piece right here. There's this piece that hangs, that's gonna be hanging up there on, like with this thing up there. This is this will go up there, and the fan hangs on over here like this. All right. So I install this first, and then I'm going up there on the ceiling again to install this. But this has a bunch of screws here. You just remove the screws and put 3 screws here, and then you flip the fan like this, and then you use all these screws to install the blades. I do it before I put the fan up there. You could install the motor up there before you put the blades, but my neck just kills me whenever I have to look way up there for installing this 6 blade. So I do it down here. So when I put it there, I don't have a lot of time up there. I only do this, and then once you do that, these are 2 pieces. There's this aluminum one here, and then this one here. So this has three screws here. You remove one of these, and then you slide this, and then you tighten it back. And then you flip. There's this wire that's going to hook up into this for your LED lights, okay? So right now that's done. So all I need to do right now is just go up there and install this, and then I'm going to install the receiver for the remote. It comes in this plastic bag here with the remote. But remote is not going to work if you don't install this. It's got 4 wires and an antenna right here. So all this connects together. They all connect together in the back from the power and everything. So I will show you. I'm gonna turn my camera up there in the ceiling so I can show you guys. Okay. All right. Just 1 second.